Welcome. Are you feeling overwhelmed by a cluttered Gmail inbox? You're not alone. Today, we're going to walk you through an updated and easy way to clean up your inbox on your Android device. A tidy inbox not only looks great, but helps you stay organized and focused. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. If you haven't installed it yet, hop onto the Google Play Store, download it, and get started. Once you're in the app, you'll be met with your emails. This is where the real work begins. Next, to clean things up faster, tap and hold on to any email. This will activate the selection feature. Now at the top of your screen, you'll see an option for Select All. Tap on that, and voila! You've selected all the emails in your inbox. Now, you have the power to take action on multiple emails at once. Once you have everything selected, look towards the top of the screen again, and you will see a trash can icon. Tap on that icon, and just like that, your selected emails will be moved to the trash. If there are still emails that you want to clear out, simply repeat the process. You can select more emails or go back to your inbox and start fresh. And there you have it. Cleaning up your Gmail inbox can be a breeze when you follow these simple steps. Remember, a clean inbox means a clearer mind. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks to manage your digital life efficiently.